Hey, this is Paul Boschman and welcome, and I want to show you today how to get started with SherlockDocs. So what we're going to do is flip over to our home page and click on the pricing page link, and what you'll see there is you can either choose a plan, or if you want a 30-day free trial, click on the 30-day free trial link up at the top and simply put your name in and register your company and create an email, password, and whatever. Now, if you get a message saying that your email name is already in use because you received our 8-page white paper, simply send me an email at info@SherlockDocs, and we will convert your account from the client to a private investigator account, and your free report will appear on your home page. So once you log in, we're going to flip over and you'll see a home page that looks like this. And as I said, if you have received a free white paper, you'll see the case there for a free white paper. If you haven't, you won't see any cases. And it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. There's a number of things. Your account information is under account here, and if it's not up to date, you can simply put in your company name, your first name, and you'll see your resource subscription plan down here. And later on, as you add clients, you'll see who are the viewers, who are the people that can see your reports. And that's pretty straightforward and simple. You go back to your home page on My Cases, and simply, if you want to, you can either create a new folder, and let's say you have a client that you want to put all of his cases in. You just, you're going to be a type LAWYR. Just create a new folder. You don't have to create a folder, but if you want to, you can create a new folder, and that's one way to get started for folders. And if you want to create a new case, we're going to click on New Case. But before you do that, first I suggest you go in and feel around. You might want to create a letterhead for all your reports. You can do that by clicking this link up here, and you'll see a whole page of options. One of the nice things about using a PDF to send your reports is you can make things on the PDF clickable, like your header, for example. If you want to have your header a clickable link, you just put the URL for your business in there, and now anytime your client clicks on the header, they'll go right to your website. You can select any kind of background, font, header text. You can upload an image if you'd like to put in your header. Now, if you have developed a custom header, what you do is simply upload that image and make the text color and the background color white, and your custom header will appear that way. So you might want to make that your header or something. I just made up a stupid name here, but just to illustrate how it works. Now, once you've created your header, the next best thing is to create a new case. And creating a new case is simple as clicking on the Create a New Case. You'll pull up a screen, you'll put a name in there, and you can align the title, right, center, and you know, when you come back, you'll probably want to make the summary very specific. If you've read the white paper, you know the summary is a very critical aspect of having a great report, is putting in a good summary. But for now, we just want to put a placeholder in and let us know what this case is about. And then we save that, and we can start making the report or creating the report. There's other videos about creating snippets, text snippets. You'll see links even at this Create a New Case box where you can create use a text snippet. You simply click on this box right here, and text snippets will appear if you have any text snippets. Right now I don't have any, but you'll see a whole menu of them. So you click save, and there it is. Your case is there, and you'll see you've got 4 icons over the case. One is an eyeball to preview the report in a web page format. The other is to create a PDF. This little envelope is to share the report with a client, and if you want to throw it away, which we don't recommend, is just delete that case. And so getting started, just click on the briefcase, and this pulls up a new page, and it gives you all the information that you want. Now you can put as much or as little information in here as you want, and I recommend you put as much as you can, because later on the search function is going to help you out finding the case. And clicking on like date, it's going to pull up calendar, so you don't have to type in a date. It's as simple as clicking on this this box here. And you'll see also here a way to create a custom footer. Let's save that here. You want to create a custom footer, you can do the same thing as we did for the header. Simply click on the link, the custom footer, and you can make the footer a link just as you made the header a link. You can put background text, you can do whatever you want. You can make whatever you want in the footer and appear on all the pages of your report. And it puts you back here. You can go back into your case by clicking on the link up here, and it puts you back here. Another part of your case might be you might have private notes. Let's say you have witnesses and you don't want to put the phone numbers of a witness in here. You can just put a phone number in here and save all the information that you want secure and confidential and not shared. So here we have our placeholder for our summary. We'll probably edit that at the end after we've written the case, but our application is a block-by-block approach. So simply clicking on this drop-down box here, and you'll see a number of options. There's text block, data block, witness statement, etc. And let's see if I can move this down here so you can see this clearly here. And let's say you want to add a data log block, and this is very often used in reports. And what it does, it just gives you again, you can put in, let's say you did surveillance on whatever time it was, and the location is workplace, whatever, and you can save these. And again, and then you just type in 8 hours of surveillance or whatever. And you simply save that block, and that becomes part of it. And you can add these one by one if you want, and it'll add automatically the date and time there. So that's one kind of block, and you can always insert blocks above or below anytime you want to. If you want to add text above that, you want to have a witness statement, you can just click on the witness statement and put in some information into this form for a witness statement. You can save it or cancel it, go back. If you want to go back and edit these, you can always delete, edit, move up or move down any of these blocks. So if you want to rearrange, let's say you created a bunch of these data logs and you say, oh, they're out of sequence, you can move them up or down in place one by one. So those are the basics of using blocks and using and setting up your header and your footer. We're going to be talking in other videos about how to use text snippets, which is a great way for you to enter a whole bunch of things that you type over and over again, and you enter them once, and then with just a click of a mouse you'll be able to put them into any of these blocks, and you won't have to retype them. And we also have another video on how to use image and video casting, and those are very important aspects of how SherlockDocs work. So that's how to get started. It's very simple. You can always go back to your dashboard to see where cases are, and you can rearrange cases by dragging a case into a folder, and there it goes, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Now if you have any information, any questions about this information, please send an email to info@SherlockDocs.com, and I'll be looking forward to talking with you soon. Thanks and have a good day.